Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I do all things skincare, beauty, lifestyle on this channel. Did you miss last week's, I filmed a video on body lotions for Harmattan 2 days ago. If you've not watched that video, pause this video right now and go back and watch that video because I will link it in the description box so you can watch it before you commence into today's video, which is on how to keep your face glowy during Harmattan dry season, or if your skin is particularly dry, what are some of the steps that you need to follow in order to ensure that your skin is looking hydrated during this dry season. Now, it is dry because the Harmattan that we have in Lagos here is not the one that brings cold and chill. No, it's the one that dries out your skin technically. Now, with the introduction done, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up because of course you will learn a lot. I will also be reviewing some product affordable options that you need to add to your face care routine today. Starting today, I'll review them in this video, so make sure you stay tuned and you watch this video to the end for our special shout out. We want to shout out one very special subscriber on our channel today. Yes, you know yourself, but you won't know if you don't watch this video till the end. Now let's just begin. Okay, so now when it comes to face care, skincare routine, a lot of people have different opinions about it. The very basic face care routine is step 1, which is to cleanse, step 2, which is to moisturize, step 3, sun protect. That's the basic skincare routine that you have for your face. But during Harmattan, I want you to take that and put it aside, okay? And I want you to start to follow the steps and the routine that I'm going to be describing in this channel for you. And then along the line, I'll also review some product affordable options that you need to buy and add to your kit in order to make sure that your face is glowy and hydrated. Now, very huge disclaimer, please, my sister, this season is not the season to have breakouts. Whatever you eat, keep it on lock, keep your skin in check, and make sure you're not having breakouts because it is going to turn into spots really fast. If you have breakouts during this season, dryness is not something that the skin loves at all. So if you have breakouts during this season, please ensure that you're taking care of it and ensure that it doesn't turn into that dark acne spot. Okay, now the very first thing that I want to talk about in today's video is cleansing. Like I've always said, cleansing is the process of removing dirt and germs on the surface of your skin in order to make sure that any other products that you apply would work. Why? Because the skin can't tolerate or receive any product if its surface is clogged up with dirt and germs. Now, after cleansing, the first step to ensuring glowing skin during Harmattan is to tone. And the very first affordable option for that is to get any rose water toner that you can find. Go into the store today and see if you can find any rose water toner. This is the one from my brand. It's about 4,500 naira. I know there are other ones that are not branded or that are branded but are not so expensive, that are like 2,000 to 2,500. I will insert a picture here. Now, what rose water is going to ensure is this. You know, when you cleanse your face is stripped off of moisture and stuff. Rose water is going to be adding that moisture back into your skin. Like, let me just demonstrate. Do you see? Like that. Rose water is going to be adding that moisture back into your face. That's what it does, okay? But if you're not using a toner or an hydrating toner, you will be stripping your skin of more moisture, all right? And then in the long run, your skin will not glow. It will dry out faster. And of course, the acids are going to find it very difficult to work because acids need moisture and hydration to deliver. The very next thing that I want to talk about in today's video is this. Get yourself a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. I know the ordinary has hyaluronic acid in like 4 or 5% or 10% plus alpha arbutin. That's a good option. But you can also get this one. This is the one from Lotions that I use every day. And it has 20% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. You want to be able to lock in as much moisture as possible. Okay? Now, if all this fails and you think, oh, I can't even afford that, you can afford the good old aloe vera gel. I found myself going back to aloe vera gel ever since Harmattan began last week. I've had it sitting in one corner of my drawer somewhere, and I'm like, get your ass out here, please. And I've been using this every day, and I mean morning and night. Now let me tell you some of the very good effects of aloe vera gel. It is calming, it is soothing, it soothes irritation. Like even now currently, if you have breakouts on the surface of your skin and you apply aloe vera gel, it will ensure that the breakouts heal faster. And then of course during Harmattan, you want to use something that has enough hydration but is also natural, so that you don't have harmful effects being displayed as the product continues to work. Okay, now aloe vera gel is really key. Please, this one is about I got it for 2005. It's been a while now. I think it's over 6 months old. This is why I prefer the packaged aloe vera gel to the one that is natural, the plant to the plant. I prefer the packaged one because this is in a form that I can use for a very long time. But if you're using the one from the leaf, of course you have to use it that day, because if germs and debris and all those things settle on top of it, you'll be doing yourself more harm than good. Now the last thing that I want to talk about when it comes to adding moisture and hydration to your skincare routine during Harmattan season is to get hydrating face moisturizers. Now this is the best time for you to watch my video on top 7 or is it 5 effective face creams that I've reviewed before. Please ensure that you watch it. But the one I've been raving about lately, honestly you guys, this thing is so expensive. I mind it. Like I use just a very little bit, yeah, but this is the one I've been using. This is the Sun by Me Miracle 30 Days AHA BHA PHA cream, and it is very good. Trust me, hydration is key. When it comes to your face skincare routine, you want to lock in the hydration as much as possible, especially during dry season. This is not the season for you to skip your aloe vera gel, or for you to skip your toner, or for you to skip your vitamin C serum. This is the season for you to get all these products, okay? In order to ensure that, number 1, if you have acne scars, they will heal faster. Number 2, the dryness will not strip your skin. Even if your skin is losing moisture, there is so much moisture in between your skincare routine to ensure that the moisture on the surface can be lost, but deep down in your skin dermal layer, okay, the moisture is still being trapped and you are looking bouncy. Your skin is looking bouncy and youthful, okay? Now that is really important. Now lastly, during dry season, especially Harmattan, you want to embrace the use of facial oils, and I'm talking rosehip oil, I'm talking jojoba oil. These are the 2 key facial oils that you would use. Now I got a comment from a subscriber and she told me, Eniola, I use facial oils but then they tend to break me out. And I asked her what kind of facial oil. She said, oh, I try shea butter and coconut oil. Yes, of course, shea butter sometimes is prone to breaking people out, especially if your skin is acne prone or is oily. But when you embrace facial oils like rosehip oil, it is so lightweight that when you apply it on the surface of your skin, it will just sink into the skin and then it will not clog your pores. So also with jojoba oil, okay? But coconut oil and shea butter clogs the pores. Now, how do you arrange these products in your skincare routine? Step 1 is to cleanse. Step 2 is to use your toner, okay? Step 3, you will go in with the vitamin C serum. Step 4, you will apply the aloe vera gel. Step 5, you will use the face cream or your moisturizer. Then step 6, you will use the sunscreen or you will use the facial oil. Now if you're going to be stepping out during the day, then of course you want to use your sunscreen as the very last thing to seal everything together, okay? But if you are going to be in your house probably at night, you will remove the sunscreen option from your routine and add the rose oil or the facial oil that you apply on the surface of your skin. Trust me, sis, you are going to wake up the next morning with your face glistening like the gods. Believe what I'm saying. I am so excited because I want you guys to try this out tonight. You would love what your face feels like the very next morning. You see that dryness and that scorchiness that your skin is having is because there's no good balance of moisture and oil. When you follow this routine that I've just described to you, you will come down to comment down on this video and be like, sis, you just saved your life, because that's the purpose of this channel. Now, in case you enjoyed this video, of course, please give me a thumbs up. I want to shout out very special subscriber Obianuju Judith. Thank you so much for being a massive supporter of this channel. I love you so much. I read through your comments. Thank you for watching this video and many more of my videos. You are very special to me. So in order to get a shout out next week, of course, make sure you comment down below. And also let me know if you enjoyed this video. I'm looking down in the comment section again to get your questions. If you tried it and you had issues, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Share this video with your friend because we all need to glow during this dirty December. I'll talk to you guys in the very next one.